Random row selection in Pandas data frame. Is there a way to select random rows from a data frame in Pandas? In R, using the car package, there is a useful function sumX, n, which is similar to head but selects, in this example, 10 rows at random from X. I have also looked at the slicing documentation and there seems to be nothing equivalent. Update. Now using version 20. There is a sample method.
Something like this? Note, as of Pandas v0.20.0, 9 has been deprecated in favor of log for label-based indexing.
With Pandas version 0.16.1 and up, there is now a dataframe.sample method built in. For either approach above, you can get the rest of the rows by doing. Per Pedram's comment, if you would like to get reproducible samples, pass the random_state parameter.
Sample. As of v0.20.0, you can use pd.dataframe.sample, which can be used to return a random sample of a fixed number rows, or a percentage of rows. For reproducibility, you can specify an integer random_state, equivalent to using np.random.seed. So, instead of setting, for example, np.random.seed equals 0, you can
The best way to do this is with the sample function from the random module.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.